Ever feel like your air fryer isn't living up to its full potential? Imagine turning it into a versatile kitchen powerhouse that can bake, grill, and air fry a variety of meals, all with one accessory kit. The Dash Air Fryer Accessory Kit lets you do exactly that, expanding what you thought was possible with your air fryer from day one. I've been using this kit for several months now, especially with my 2-quart Power XL air fryer. What stands out immediately is the convenience and quality. The kit includes a 5-inch deep baking pan, a 5-inch pizza pan, a double-layer rack, and 3 skewers. Everything you need to whip up single-serving meals or snacks. The nonstick coating on the pans means food slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the metal accessories are dishwasher safe, which saves me time after cooking. I stick to silicone utensils to protect the coating, and it's held up perfectly so far. What really matters is how this kit helps you cook better, healthier meals without fuss. Whether you're baking a cake, grilling kebabs, or air frying a crispy pizza, these accessories open up new recipe possibilities. The double-layer rack lets you cook multiple items at once, cutting down on cooking time. And because it's made from safe, durable metal materials, you can trust it to perform consistently without worrying about wear or health risks. Dash backs this quality with US-based customer support, so you're never left in the dark. If you're someone who enjoys quick, tasty meals with minimal cleanup, this accessory kit is worth a look. It's especially great for singles or small households who want to maximize their 2-quart air fryer without cluttering their kitchen. The compact design stores easily inside your air fryer or in cabinets, keeping your kitchen organized. Ready to get more out of your air fryer? The Dash Air Fryer Accessory Kit is designed to help you explore new recipes and cooking methods effortlessly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game and enjoy the ease of healthier, more diverse meals every day.